Good morning once again to all. This is the last topic of the chapter trial balance and errors. Yesterday we discussed about types of errors. There were two main types of errors. My voice is clear. Yes or no? Raise your hand. Yes. Okay. Two types of errors we discussed yesterday. One, Renee will tell. First type. Renee will tell first type of error.
Sir, actually, I was absent yesterday.
Absent yesterday. Okay. So see, you watch the video. Did you watch the video?
Sir, no, sir, it was network problem. So much it was network problem yesterday. So I didn't.
Okay.
Today
Today you
I
watch
will.
the video and you will understand what are the two types of errors. Okay. Ansika Bhatia was present. Ansika, can you tell me the two types of errors? One type you tell. First type.
Sir, errors affecting trial balance
Errors
or disclosed.
by the trial balance. Errors which affect trial balance or the errors which are detected by the trial balance. Detected means we can easily find out because trial balance will not tally. The trial balance which is prepared with the debit and credit balance of the accounts to test the arithmetical accuracy, it will not tally. Tally means debit column total and credit column total will not be equal. So when it will not be equal, then it will be very much easy for us to find the or locate the errors because of which this trial balance is not tallying. So there were six type of errors. There were six type of errors which affect the trial balance that we have discussed earlier yesterday. Sahiba, what are the other errors, other type?
Sir, wrong casting.
No, not example. Ansika told errors which are detected by trial balance. Number two, different type of error. Second type of error.
Error are not affecting.
Yes, errors which do not affect trial balance. Errors which affect trial balance and errors which do not affect trial balance. So errors which do not affect trial balance, they are very, very important. Do not affect trial balance means these errors, though they are there, but they are not going to affect the trial balance. Means to say the trial balance still tallies. The trial balance still tallies. Tallies means the total of trial balance is correct. Both the side of the trial balance are equal. Even then, these mistakes are there. So you are not sure even after the tallying of trial balance because there may be some errors undetected. So it becomes very important for the accountant. It becomes very important for anyone to find those errors and see that the accounting is flawless. That the accounting is flawless without any mistake. And for that, a deeper, more conscious effort has to be made to see that no errors are creeping in, no errors are there right from the beginning. from the identification of transactions, recording them in the proper books, following all the conventions and assumptions and principles, correct posting, totaling, balancing of account, each and everything, each and every step in the process of accounting should be flawless. There should not be any mistakes. Then only we can be sure that not only the arithmetical accuracy, that is the trial balance will show you the arithmetical accuracy of the accounts, not only the accounts are correct arithmetically, but there are no errors of omission, important, errors which are not detected by trial balance, error of omission, error of commission, compensating error, error of omission, error of commission, compensating error, and error of principal. These are the four most important also, and very difficult to detect and find also. These errors should not be there. These errors should not be there in an account. All of you, please turn the cameras on. Sujal, Jasanjeet, Arshit, and Ansika. Keep your cameras on. Today, I will be telling you about suspense account. Note down somewhere, suspense account. Turn on the cameras. Sujal, suspense account. Very important. The question will be asked like, what is a suspense account? Why and when it is prepared? And how it is disposed of. Disposed of means how it is closed. Write the question properly. What is a suspense account? Why and when is it prepared? Why and when is it prepared? And how is it disposed? And how is it disposed? Disposed or closed? Got it? Okay. Now, a suspense account. Whenever there are errors, whenever there are some errors in the preparation of accounts, or in the totaling, or in the posting, or in journalizing, or recording in the books of account, in any of the books of account, subsidiary books, cash book, right, journal proper, preparing a ledger, in the posting, totaling, or balancing. Once again, there are different steps to be performed before preparing a trial balance. Trial balance, you see, is the 14th chapter. 14th chapter. It means everything which we have studied till date is done before trial balance is prepared. Before trial balance is prepared, many of the things have been done. Accounting equation. We learned a lot about assets, liabilities, and capital there. The relationship between them. Assets is equal to liabilities plus capital. Any change in the value of these, how does it affect others, was shown in the accounting equation. That accounting equation always holds good no matter what is the transaction. No matter what is the transaction. After that, you learned about double entry system and journal entries, rules of debit and credit, rules of journalizing by two approaches, traditional approach and modern approach. You learned about how to journalize a transaction, how to make journal entries. You learned about cash book, how transactions related to receipt and payment of cash, including bank, are recorded in cash book. Then we learned about different subsidiary books. Subsidiary books means help books, aid. In addition to cash book, different books are prepared for credit transactions, for recording of credit transactions. They were purchase book, purchase return book, sales book, sales return book, and journal proper. All these books के बाद आपने सीखा how the entry is transferred to account, a ledger. That was ledger posting, transferring of transactions, entries from ledger to different accounts. Then the totaling and balancing of account, and after that the balance of different accounts is totaled. Debit and credit balances of different accounts is placed in trial balance and totaled. दोनों total debit and credit total अगर equal आते हैं, it is very good. Though there may be some errors, but at least you are sure 70 to 80% that there are no errors. But even if there are some errors, then those errors have to be detected, located, and corrected. Those errors have to be detected, located, or after that they have to be corrected. So when the errors are there and we have to make, because after trial balance, after the trial balance, the trading and profit and loss account is prepared. Point to be noted, all of you note down the point. After the preparation of trial balance, only we can prepare trading and profit and loss account. Trading and profit and loss account is prepared with the balances of different accounts, with the balances of different account, debit balance and credit balances. It is very important. Priya, are you getting?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Different balances of different accounts, debit balance or credit balance of trial balance, in the trial balance. With the help of this, we will prepare trading and profit and loss account. Now, trading and profit and loss account is prepared to know or to ascertain net profit or net loss of the firm during the year. See how important that account is. Trading and profit and loss account, which is meant to prepare, which is prepared to ascertain or to know the net profit or loss of the year. तो नेट प्रॉफिट और लॉस ऑफ द ईयर जानना तो बहुत जरूरी है. तो अब अगर ट्रायल बैलेंस टैली नहीं हो रहा है, इफ द ट्रायल बैलेंस इज नॉट टैलिंग, तो फिर तो हमें बहुत टाइम लग जाएगा. ऑल द एरर्स हैव टू बी लोकेटेड एंड डिटेक्टेड एंड रेक्टिफाइड, and doing all these things will take a lot of time. So we don't want to delay. We don't want to delay in the preparation of trading and profit and loss account. So जितना भी difference आता है ट्रायल बैलेंस में, whatever is the difference, कभी डेबिट साइड ज्यादा आएगी, कभी क्रेडिट साइड ज्यादा आएगी. So whatever is the difference, we will keep that difference in suspense account. Please listen carefully. Whenever a trial balance does not tally means the total is not equal. The difference of the trial balance, either debit or credit, whichever balance is more, the difference is transferred to suspense account. 5,000 rupees का difference आ रहा है. Suppose debit side total is 5,000 more. Debit side total is 1 lakh and credit side total is 95,000. तो 5,000 जो credit side less है, we will write it in the suspense account. We will write one more account there, suspense account, and in the credit side we will write 5,000. Now, whenever the errors will be located, whenever the errors will be detected, then from this 5,000 suspense account, the amount will be written off. The amount will be neutralized. And slowly, when all the errors will be located and rectified, the suspense account will be closed automatically. क्योंकि जितने भी एरर्स आप लोकेट करेंगे वो अमाउंट कहां से राइट ऑफ होगा? सस्पेंस अकाउंट से, क्योंकि सस्पेंस अकाउंट में यू हैव प्लेस्ड ऑल द एरर्स. जो भी एरर्स थी एक तरीके से वो सारा अमाउंट एक्यूमुलेटेड टोटल आपने कहां रख दिया था? इन द सस्पेंस अकाउंट. एंड व्हेन ऑल द एरर्स विल बी लोकेटेड, द सस्पेंस अकाउंट विल ऑटोमेटिकली get closed. It will be closed automatically. It will be closed automatically. Got it? There will be no chance of any amount left in the suspense account if all the errors are located and rectified. Sakshi, are you getting? You can raise your hands only for yes and no. Ansika, are you getting? Yes. Like Ansika, raise your hand. Anjali, Ansika Bhatia. Correct. Renee. Ravi. Okay, now I will ask you, Ravi, please tell me why suspense account is prepared and when it is prepared. You have to give me two answers. Why it is prepared and when it is prepared.
To find the errors in the transaction.
When it is prepared. Arshit and Jason. I have
Yes, sir.
got to keep your camera off anytime. I will remove you from the class. Arshit and Jason, remain on screen all the time. Vyom. Yes, Arshit.
Yes, sir.
Why is suspense account prepared?
Yes, sir.
Vyom.
And
Yes, answer again, Arshit.
sir, when the tally When the debit side and credit side are not chemical.
Very good. When the debit side and the credit side, simple answer you will write in one sentence. Whenever the trial balance does not tally, it will be when it is prepared. It is prepared when trial balance does not tally, or you will write, in other words, if the debit and the credit total of the trial balance does not tally, a suspense account is opened. Why it is opened? It is opened to avoid, the delay in the preparation of trading and profit and loss account. To avoid the delay, देर ना हो जाए कहीं. It may take time to detect, to locate the errors, but we want to know the profit and loss of the year. We have to prepare balance sheet afterwards. We have to prepare other financial statements. Therefore, to avoid the delay in the preparation of financial statements, a suspense account is opened. When it is opened? When trial balance does not tally, is not equal, and the balance is put in the suspense account. Now the third question, how is it disposed or how is it closed? A suspense account automatically gets closed. Answer is, a suspense account automatically gets closed when all the errors are located, when all the errors are rectified after detection of errors. When all the errors are detected, then we will surely rectify those errors, correct those errors, and the amount will be written off against the suspense account. Suspense account में जो amount transfer किया आपने, total amount of the losses of the different errors, जो भी difference आया है, when those errors will be detected and corrected and rectified, the suspense account will automatically gets closed after all the errors are corrected. The amount will be written off against suspense account. तो वो अपने आप क्लोज हो जाएगा जब सारी एरर्स क्या हो जाएंगी, रेक्टिफाइड हो जाएंगी और सही हो जाएंगी. So there are three questions. You have to answer them in connection with one another. When is a suspense account prepared? Why is a suspense account prepared? How is it disposed, or how does a suspense account gets closed? And if it is asked, what is a suspense account? You will say suspense account is a temporary account. It is opened only for a time being. It is a temporary adjustment. Why it is prepared? It is prepared to avoid the delay in the preparation of financial statements like trading and profit and loss account and balance sheet, which is prepared only after the trial balance is prepared. Then how it is disposed? I told you it is disposed or closed after all the errors are located, rectified, and written off. The amount is set off against suspense account. I hope it is clear to you. Open illustration number 7. Everybody open illustration number 7. And illustration number 8. In illustration number 7 you will find, check कीजिए, the following is the trial balance prepared by an inexperienced accountant. एक ट्रायल बैलेंस इसमें ऑलरेडी प्रिपेयर्ड है, यू कैन सी it is given in the question. It is prepared by an inexperienced accountant. It means there will be some mistakes. There will be some mistakes. It is not correct. इसमें कुछ mistakes होंगी. डेबिट वाला हो सकता है क्रेडिट में आना हो अमाउंट, क्रेडिट वाला अमाउंट हो सकता है डेबिट में आना हो. राइट? यू ऑलरेडी नो what accounts have what balance. I have already told you in detail different accounts showing different balances. Some accounts will show debit balance, others will show credit balance. And if it is clear to you, आप आसानी से इसमें find out कर सकते हैं कौन कौन सी mistakes हैं. What are the different mistakes in the account, in the trial balance. So आप देखिए नीचे solution में करेक्ट ट्रायल बैलेंस बनाया है. चेक करके हमें बताइए कौन कौन से अकाउंट गलत थे इसमें. विच आर करेक्टेड, विच आर नाउ करेक्टेड, एंड इन द करेक्ट ट्रायल बैलेंस दे आर गिवन. प्रिया विल टेल मी सम, व्योम विल टेल मी सम. व्हाट आर द डिफरेंट अकाउंट्स विच आर रॉन्ग इन द क्वेश्चन. Look at the question. Do you have the books? Everybody has the book. If you are still without book, it will be very difficult for you to pass the exam. Take it granted. Still, if you are without book, it shows the height of carelessness. It shows you are not bothered about your studies. You are taking it very lightly, which is not becoming of a good student, sincere student. If you are taking things so lightly, your result will be definitely below standard. Arjun, can you?
Yes, sir.
There are different accounts which are shown on the wrong side. The balances are shown wrong. कोई एग्जांपल देखिए इसमें, कोई बताइए अकाउंट जो गलत बताए गए इसमें. परचेज रिटर्न देखिए, परचेज रिटर्न 2100 डेबिट शो कर रखा है क्वेश्चन में. Purchase return 2100 is shown as debit balance, जबकि होता है उसका credit balance. Capital, life insurance premium 5000. Life insurance premium 5000 is shown as debit balance in the question, though it has credit balance, because life insurance premium means drawing. Life insurance premium is paid on the life of the proprietor, so it is a personal expense. It is drawing. लास्ट में देखिए, लास्ट में लिखा है सस्पेंस अकाउंट 1000. लास्ट में बिकॉज 1000 का डिफरेंस आ रहा है डेबिट साइड और क्रेडिट साइड. जब आप टोटल करेंगे यू विल फाइंड क्रेडिट साइड टोटल इज 1,76,800, but debit side total will be 1,75,800. Therefore, the 1000 difference is shown in the debit side as suspense account. So you have time today, tomorrow, and day after tomorrow. Complete the syllabus, complete the chapter, and revise the things. Monday onwards, we will start the revision. Right?
Excuse me, sir.
And business studies. If you have any
Excuse me, sir.
chapter in mind to be revised, you can inform me.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, Arjun, yes.
Sir, how can we give exam online? Sir, you have to give the exam in 3 parts.
No, Zoom exam will be like this only. जैसे आप क्लास में बैठे हैं,
Yes, sir.
you are sitting here, आप ऐसे ही बैठेंगे, उसमें भी आप थोड़ा दूर बैठेंगे अपने कैमरे से. ओके, आपका टेबल जिस पे आप काम कर रहे हैं, नोटबुक, पेन, पेंसिल और आपकी पूरी बॉडी कैमरे पे दिखनी चाहिए. यू हैव टू
Okay, sir.
करीब आप बैठेंगे 1 मीटर से ज्यादा दूर. जैसे अर्षित बैठे हैं, अर्षित बिश्नोई बैठे हैं, जैसे अर्षित बिश्नोई जैसे बैठे, अपनी स्क्रीन स्क्रॉल करके अर्षित को देखिए. सब अपनी स्क्रीन स्क्रॉल कीजिए सब जने. यू विल फाइंड अर्षित समवेयर ऑन द स्क्रीन. इस तरीके से आपको बैठना है, बल्कि इससे भी दूर बैठना है थोड़ा. एग्जाम स्टार्ट होगा, पेपर आपको भेज दिया जाएगा व्हाट्सएप पे, और पेपर जो है आपके स्क्रीन पे स्क्रीन शेयर होगा, डिस्प्ले होगा. हम आपको कल परसों एक डेमो करके दिखाएंगे, ठीक है. बस उसके बाद आप अपना पेपर करना शुरू कर दीजिए. आपकी स्क्रीन पे पेपर आ रहा है, उसमें से देखते रहिए और सॉल्व करते रहिए उसे.
सर, वो गूगल फॉर्म में क्या होगा फिर?
गूगल फॉर्म का पेपर अलग होगा बेटा, वो 20 मिनट का होगा. गूगल फॉर्म पेपर विल बी ऑफ 20 मिनट्स. उसमें 20 मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चन है, वो आपको करके तुरंत सबमिट करना है. उसके तुरंत बाद आपका ये जूम वाला पेपर शुरू हो जाएगा 40 मिनट का. इट इज ऑल्सो ऑफ 20 मार्क्स. ये आप सॉल्व करके तुरंत उसको जो है फोटो खींच के उसकी पीडीएफ फाइल बना के हमारे नंबर पे सेंड करेंगे. ऑल ऑफ यू लर्न टू मेक पीडीएफ फाइल्स. जिसको नहीं
Okay, sir.
अभी उसकी जो है प्रैक्टिस शुरू कर दीजिए. मेक पीडीएफ फाइल, आपके में मैंने एक वीडियो भी भेजा था, हाउ टू मेक पीडीएफ फाइल. पीडीएफ फाइल बना के ही आपको अपना टेस्ट पेपर, मतलब पेपर सबमिट करना है, अदरवाइज वो चेक नहीं होगा. 0 मार्क्स यू विल गेट. उससे पहले अपनी सब लोग ईमेल आईडी बना लेंगे, एंड यू विल सेंड मी योर ईमेल आईडी ऑल्सो. दिस शुड बी डन बिफोर 10th ऑफ दिस मंथ. So all of you practice all these things. कल से जो है सब एक 1.5 मीटर दूर बैठेंगे, so that you have the practice of doing the exam. Okay? Time is getting over. Tomorrow we shall be having a break, and day after tomorrow is Sunday. Tomorrow is Teachers' Day also. Therefore there is a break also, and Saturday also we don't have class, but tomorrow is a break. So take care of yourself. Complete your work. And God bless all of you. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.